In this quick tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to verify your Chime account. Whether you're new to Chime or simply need to complete the verification process, this guide will help you through each step with ease. Verifying your Chime account is essential for ensuring secure and smooth transactions, and we're here to make sure you get it done without any hassle. First things first, you'll need to open the Chime app on your mobile device. If you haven't already, go ahead and sign into your account. Now, don't worry if you see a message prompting you to verify your identity. This is a standard part of the process designed to keep your account secure. This prompt is your signal that it's time to move forward with verification. Next, follow the on-screen instructions carefully. This step is crucial because Chime will ask you to provide specific pieces of information to confirm your identity. Typically, you'll be required to upload a valid government-issued ID. This could be your driver's license, passport, or any other form of identification that is officially recognized. Make sure your ID is up to date and that the photo and details are clearly visible. In addition to providing your ID, Chime may also request that you take a selfie. This is done to match your face with the ID you've submitted, adding an extra layer of security to the verification process. When taking your selfie, ensure that you are in a well-lit area and that your face is clearly visible. Avoid any hats or sunglasses that might obscure your appearance. Once you've provided all the necessary information and completed the on-screen steps, you'll need to wait for Chime to review your submission. This part of the process may take some time, but rest assured, Chime is working diligently to ensure everything is in order. During this period, it's a good idea to keep an eye on any notifications from Chime in case they need further information or clarification. After your verification has been approved, you'll receive a confirmation message and you'll be able to use your Chime account normally. This means you'll have access to all the features and benefits Chime has to offer with the peace of mind that your account is secure. And there you have it, a simple and straightforward way to verify your Chime account. We hope this guide has been helpful and that you can now enjoy all the functionalities of your Chime account with confidence. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.